Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to talk about the business model that we have built. Communing with nature is the best way to relax our body and mind, but the COVID-19 pandemic doesn't allow us to go outside so frequently. However, the impact of the pandemic also offers universities an opportunity to refurbish the campus. Therefore, we developed the business model called Meet Nature in Lancaster campus. Next, we will explain what we do and how we do it, including the estimated expenses and profit. We separate our project into 4 different parts, which are core ideology, architectural design, cost and profit, and envisioned future.
First, we are going to talk about our core ideology. Communing with nature being eco-friendly and economic benefit. For communing with nature, we plan to build a semi-open building that can allow students to embrace the nature. Both the inner and outer parts of the building will be filled with natural elements, such as the roof screening and the natural lighting. Next is the part of being eco-friendly. Our building will satisfy the following 3 conditions. The building materials composed of the natural or reduced raw materials. The production process causes the least environmental pollution. And when the building is used, energy efficient. Last is the economic benefit. This building not only includes a classroom for students, but also a space to rent. The bigger spaces which offer a long-term lease can be a shop or a cafe, and the smaller spaces which offer a short-term rental can be an exhibition hall. The school can gain economic benefit from the rental. Now we are going to talk about our architectural design.
We are going to divide our architecture plan into 2 phases. On the left is the first phase and on the right is the second. The £1 million budget should only be used to build the first phase, the early main building. As for the second phase, our building is going to be located in the west of Health Innovation Campus. The Ultimate Education Center consists of 8 small buildings. We use the pallets to fill up the space, which is surrounded by the small buildings. The early main building is the middle part of the Ultimate Education Center.
As shown above is the structure of the building. In the following part, we are going to talk about size and the material. Each small building consists of 2 trapdoors and 1 square. The trapdoor's long base is 9 meters, short base is 7 meters, and altitude is 4 meters. The square's length is 4 meters. There is only 1 story of this building. The height of the building is 4 meters, and the floor to ceiling height is about 2.8 meters. We shall take Hulan Sunrise Hall and Betel Library as reference. The former has a big glass area and green roof that can decrease energy consumption. The latter has many windows that can cool the inner space without using an air conditioner. As a result, the exterior walls of our building are replaced with the glass curtains. The glass curtain wall can allow people to feel comfortable because of broad vision even indoors, and there are several windows on it to ventilate. The glass curtain also saves a great deal of energy because the sunlight can enter the room. What's more is that it can totally be recycled and reused. In order to reduce energy consumption, we plan to build a container-type green roof. In this way, the temperature of the room will decrease. Also, students can get close to nature by gardening. The pallet we used is made of wood and bio fiber plastic composite, also known as WPC. WPC is made from recycled plastic and small wood particles or fibers. It is more environmentally friendly and provides security from water, fire, and chemicals. This quality can reduce the maintenance costs.
At the end of this session, we are going to talk about the function of each room. In the early main building, the red part will be a coffee shop, the orange part will be the renting spaces, and the green part will be the cultural and creative store. In the Ultimate Education Center, we add the school feature exhibition, which is blue, and the free use space, which is purple. After explaining the architecture design, we are going to show you the cost and the profit. Here is the table showing our cost of the buildings, including the construction costs, personnel expenses, and the insurance premium. We find some similar situations from online forms to estimate how much it will cost. The total construction cost is £268,558.74, including a trapezoidal building, 2 square platforms, WPC pallets, and firefighting equipment. The personnel expenses is £97,253.65, and the insurance premium is £2,400. To sum up, the estimated cost of our architecture will be around £342,412.39. Regarding the income, we will calculate the annual percentage and the annual rent. Through the experience of opening a store founded on the Internet, we estimated our income, which is listed as below. The way we cooperate with coffee shops and cultural and creative stores is that we don't charge store rent, but take 30% of the monthly profit of each store. After calculating the total income that the 2 coffee shops can bring to the project in 1 year is about £14,755.6. The 2 cultural and creative stores are £13,762.8. In addition, we decided to rent 2 rented spaces on a weekly basis for £100 a week. So the total revenue for the 2 rented spaces would be £20,800 a year, if they were renting continuously for a year. Adding the above 3 items together, we can get an estimated annual revenue of £49,308.4.
The last part is about our envisioned future. We divide our plan into 3 parts: short-term, mid-term, and long-term. Our short-term goal is to find a business collaboration with a local company. We hope to get stable income first as the basis of our future development. We will choose a local company to collaborate with, because people will easily associate this company with Lancaster University. We hope to achieve this goal in 1 year after construction is completed. After finding a business collaboration, we want to propagate our building and let more people visit it. We think the best way is to hold some activities periodically, like summer camp and marketing campaigns. In this way, children can learn in a natural environment and visitors can know more about the Lancaster area. Our income will increase gradually, too. This midterm goal will be achieved in the 2nd to 5th year.
As shown above, this is our business model. We hope Lancaster University will become more natural and local industry will get much more help from Lancaster University after executing our plan. We have now reached the end of the presentation. Thank you for listening.